moderately saturated plant oils. We're moving more from the unsaturated varieties to the saturated types. The saturated types tend to be a little bit more towards a fat. They tend to be a little bit more solid at room temperature. Therefore, they're a little bit different as far as the type of oil that we're using. Peanut. We talked about peanuts when we talked about ground crop. Peanuts native of South America. In 2013, there were 35 million metric tons of it produced worldwide. 1/4 of the U.S. crop is crushed for oil. It's crushed, it's solvent extracted, and we get the oil out of that. It does not smoke when it's heated to a high temperature, which is a definite plus for it. When you find peanut oil, it's in large containers. They're selling it as a cooking oil. You may be buying it in the 2-3 gallon container rather than the little quart type containers. This is one that you would find locally at the store. We have the olive, Olea Europea. It's a European oil. The oil is obtained from the pulp rather than the seed. That makes it a little bit different. Olive oil and palm kernel oil are two different types of oil. We don't get the oil out of the seed, but rather we get it out of the fruit. Take the pulp, the fruit is macerated, the seed is removed, then the pulp is pressed. There is a video on there for you to take a look at. Macerate the pulp up, they take all the seeds out, and they spread the pulp on these sheets. They put it in there, and they press it down with this great big hydraulic press. It causes the oil to come out from the sides. The first cold pressing is called virgin olive oil. Olive oil is normally not processed in any way. They don't clarify it. They don't refine it. They don't do anything to it. They just take it the way it is. It is used like that. Olive oil tends to have a long shelf life. It is not highly unsaturated, which means it doesn't break down very easily. If you take a good olive oil and you put it into the freezer, it will get a little bit cloudy. The saturation is why they would winterize. Here's your bottle of olive oil, upper right-hand part of the label, all natural, cold pressed. Last of these is castor oil. Castor oil is Ricinus communis. It is out of Africa. It is often sold as a laxative. Got a cleansing type action to it. It isn't necessarily picked up. You have to be careful about it because fresh pressed material can be toxic. There are certain toxins in the castor bean that you have to remove before you can actually sell the oil. It is often used as a lamp oil. It is often used as a lubricant. The cake itself is often toxic. It is often used for industrial purposes because of the toxicity. It's a good oil. It's a good plant oil, lubricating oil. They use it for a lot of different things as a fine lubricant. Easy to produce. It's non-petroleum. It would be carbon neutral. It's a unique type of material. If you look at the plant looks like this. It's got clusters of flowers at various parts on the plant. The plant tends to get rather large. There's a lot of toxicity to the plant. That's why people don't like having it around. If your animals got out and ate it, it could be toxic to them. The fruits on it have these little spikes all over the place. I can remember as a kid, we used to pick them up and we'd throw them around because they were kind of spiky, and we were always warned that they were very toxic. These are a saturated type oil, which means that they are not very reactive. They tend to have a little bit longer shelf life. The peanut and the olive oil are good oils for the diet. The castor oil is normally used as a laxative.